Okay, so right now, welcome to Lutong Bahay with Nanay. Today, we are going to cook some chocolate chip cookies. So right now, yung ginagawa lang natin is butter and sugar. So nagmi-mix tayo ngayon ng butter and sugar. Now, tapos na natin i-mix ang 1 cup of sugar and 1 bar of butter. So, kung kagaya kayo sa amin na old school, wala tayo yung nagmi-mixer, you just use like a fork. I think a fork would be the best. You know, whisk it there. Okay na yon. Okay, so now nagka-crack tayo ng 2 eggs into the mix. Oh, be careful. Minsan may mga pumapasok na mga eggshells. Oh, it's cold. Okay, the eggshells. And then we mix this again na. Okay, mix some more. Okay, so we have already mixed in the eggs. Right now, in this bowl, we have flour. How much flour is here? 2 cups of flour, and then we're putting in some of these vanilla extract. Parang galing pa yan sa baula. Ang tagal na vanilla extract. Buhay na buhay pa rin. Okay. This is vanilla extract. And then 2 cups of flour. What was this that you put in? So how much? A teaspoon of salt.
1 teaspoon vanilla extract.
Yes.
Salt and baking soda.
1 teaspoon of baking soda and salt each. Okay.
We went at 12.
Okay, so now we're mixing in all of the ingredients and oh, okay, I have to focus on mixing. The fork would have been good also. Yeah. Low-key tayo, so ang ginagamit natin is sarili natin kamay to mix.
Bring it.
There we go. Slow lang ang pag-mix para hindi magkalat yung flour natin. Because it can get pretty messy. Kanina, tinikman ko yung sugar and butter. It's really good, ah. Yeah.
You guys want lots of chocolate chips or lots of nuts?
Ako kung may choice, chips na lang. Chips. Pero actually, ayoko din masyado marami. Just enough is just right. Okay. Now here's some special ingredients being put in. These are, what type of nuts are these? Walnuts. Nice. Ooh, chocolate chips. Is that 2 cups of chocolate chip and 1 cup of walnut?
1.5 cups.
1.5 cup of chocolate chip cups.
I'm gonna add some nuts.
Okay. This can get pretty heavy with a manual laborer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's lay it out. Okay.
Yeah, manual layout. Okay.
So, let me use
So, a little spoon. So, right now, mag-lay out tayo ng cookies. We're putting it in little spoons. And like that. So right now we'll be putting in some of these.
so I think
Four?
don't put too much, 6 lines. Because it's going to spread it.
Okay.
Try to make it round.
Oh, I see. Like this. Try to make it round, guys. Magsa-spread na siya. So, we have put the cookies in the oven. Make sure na wag masyadong madidikit yung cookies. Kasi tingnan niyo, oh, yung nilagay natin kanina, nag-flatten na siya. So, spread yung cookies nyo. And then, as to kailan nyo siya kailangan tanggalin, is there a time frame, Nanay, to best take it out?
12 minutes, 12 to 15. You have to watch it.
Mga 12 to 15 minutes. You have to watch it like a hawk. Kasi minsan, nasusunog siya. And that's not going to be tasty, y'all. So, make sure na ano siya, lagi niyong bantayan.
Normally I watch the edges.
Oh, the edges.
Yeah, when it start to turn brown, I change the heat to broil so the top can get brown.
Para taas. What's broil?
This light will go to the top.
Bawal ba in both sides?
I don't like to do that because I have less control since it's a small oven. It's hard. For me, it's harder to control if you get cookies that are not baked.
So, nakalabas na yung cookies from the oven and we are going to now put it in a plate. So we'll cool it a bit there. And then make sure to wear your oven mitts, okay? Kasi mainit yung pan natin. There you go. Alright, everybody, we are down to our last cookie batch. Here. This is the last one. Now, naglilinis na ako ng mga pinggan natin. And, yeah, around how many did this make, Malay?
Maybe 3 dozen.
3 dozen of cookies. So, give or take. And these are how big it is. It's as big as my hand. And my hand is pretty small, so I would say around 3 inches by 3 inches. So, yeah. That's it. Thank you for watching this Lutong Bahay with Nanay chocolate chip cookies with cashew edition. Oh, actually walnuts. These are walnuts, guys. Chocolate chip cookies with walnuts. I'll see you in the next video. Okay, everybody, this is the last batch of our cookies.
Alin? Ako na magluto.
If you want to have chocolate chip cookies that are half crispy and half soft, these are it. Mali. These are the ones, guys. These are the ones that you need to be making.